So how to test if a purge canister purge valve is working. So when you connect a vacuum on this side, it should hold vacuum. Yep, like very consistent. So yep, we got like minus 20. I think it could go more than that. Yep. And then when you apply power to this terminals here, you got a 12 volt supply here. If you supply it with 12 volt, it should open up and release the it should open up, and then there will be no vacuum. There you go. Yep, I just connected it. Now in my case, my MDX, I already have the hose disconnected. Why is this so blurred? Okay, so I got the hose disconnected. This is a vacuum going into the intake manifold, so it's drawing vacuum actually. And then I put my vacuum pump in here on this side. Oop. I disconnected also the wiring here. So if you look at that, it doesn't hold vacuum well. So it's really open most of the time. And I'm going to check my connection if it's tight. It's pretty much tight. Not holding vacuum, so basically this is like a leak actually. Yep. So basically you have to take out this hose here that goes to the manifold and disconnect the plug here, and there's another plug here, I mean a hose here, but you cannot access it. So there's two 8mm bolts that you need to take out from this side. There's two of them. For this side here, you need an extension because it's on a tight space. Okay, once the bolt is out, you have access to get this this clamp here. Yep. And let's get a plier to take it out. Time to put the new one in. So just basically insert it again. Yep. Yeah, I can do it with both hands, with one hand. So I'm gonna put that in, the hose all the way in, and then move this clamp over here. Yep, clamp all the way in. Then we'll put the, yep, then we're gonna put the bolt. For one first to position it. Yep. Okay. Yep. And then the other one, which is like tough to put in because it's down here. Yep. I need to. Okay, I got the bolt tightened, both of them. So it's a a little bit hard, and then I'm going to put back the hose. That's where the source of vacuum is. The connector is also back, and yeah, should be okay now.